against the government's right to tell black women they can't have long, beautiful hair. Or black men either. So you don't care that it's illegal? Just between us, I beg you since you retired. No.
You should have promised me more, Granddad. There's no way I'm making more.
Fine. We'll make it.
Yeah. We'll make it, nigga. You think you're the only one in this house who knows chemistry?
Obviously. Okay, well, I got a little wisdom. I can send it to you later. Yeah. That always works on people. I'll get it analyzed. I'm making myself. How hard could it be?
Analyze, nigga. Even if you could get baby, you mix that stuff the wrong way, you'll blow up the whole house with that suit.
What's your own this house? I don't give a fuck.
Granddad, stop!
You can help me do it safely or watch me blow this motherfucker up.
Your fault, nigga. You two have to follow my instructions exactly.
No problem.
Okay, Huey, I see you. Maybe you ain't so gay after all. And we can't do it here. We need to set up somewhere nobody will find us.